Hi friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a 2024 version out of a 2023 planner. This tutorial is a very simple one and I'll give you different kinds of examples such as how you can change this one and a planner with multiple pages into a 2024 version, as well as how you can do the same exact thing with a dated digital planner. Okay, so let's get started. I now have here a calendar open from 2023. Both pages are the exact same. Now to create a 2024 version, all you need to do is click on multiply pages here to open up this panel. And then next, because it's just one page, all you need to do is click on duplicate plus change date button down here below. So click once. It will add you a second page and you will see here that it has changed the calendar from 2023. So this one's the old one. And then on the second page, it has changed it to 2024, like you see here. And the dates are correct as well. Then all that is left to do is also change the header up here from 3 to 4. So headers and text, they need to be changed manually. Those won't change automatically, so that is something you will manually need to retype to 2024. Okay, so now that you have a new calendar, you can delete the old one. So click on page 1, and then you want to delete this 2023 page. Click on delete, confirm delete. So you now only have this one page left. And then you can go to Save Export, Save, and then you can save this planner as a new version to your collection by clicking on Duplicate and make a copy of this selected page. Then next, let's check out this example. This one's a 2023 calendar, and each page is a different month with a dated monthly calendar. Now to create a 2024 version, all you need to do is again open up the multiple page menu. So this panel right here. However, you don't want to click on duplicate change date because this will only add you one page at a time. What you want to do is click on add page menu. So click on the yellow button right here. And then you want to navigate to multiple change date menu. This one right here. And what you want to do next is select all the pages from this planner except page number 1, because page number 1 is a cover page and we don't want to multiply or recreate this page. So select all pages starting from page 2, which is the January page, page 2, all down until the last page, which is December 2023. Once you have all pages selected, click on Insert at the bottom. And now it will recreate you this planner, but it will change you the calendars from this year to next year. And you see here, it's changing all the dates and the year as well. So let's quickly wait until it has finished generating. Okay, we are done. As of right now, we have in total 25 pages, which means we will now need to go and delete all the old pages, which are still from 2023. To do that, you can click on Delete Multiple Pages button down here, this red button down here, so click on it. And now you want to delete all the old pages, meaning you want to select January 2023, which is page 2, to page 13, December 2023. And then click on Delete the pages. Okay, and then let's check here. January 2024, February 2024, March. Looks good as well. Let's see, April, May, June, July. All looks fine. And then the last thing what's left is to, as we did before, manually update the header. So you would need to retype them for each page, or you can retype it once, copy it, and then paste it into all the other pages like this. Okay, to save some time, I will not do this right now, but I hope you understood how to recreate the 2024 version. However, I wanted to show you page 1 or the cover page. This here is not selectable. However, you can select this text by going to sticker, and then you can click on it because this text here is a sticker text. And then in the box below, you can type in for 2024. Okay, this planner is now completed. To save it, go to Save Export, Save, and then you can give it a name, and then you can make a new version of it, duplicate and make a copy. So click on that button and it will save you a new version to your collection. Now, last example is this digital planner with weekly pages. It has in total 72 pages. The last few pages are notes pages. Now, to create a 2024 version, you would do the exact same thing. Have the multiple page panel open and then navigate and click on the Add Page button, this yellow button right here. Click on it. Select Multiply Change Dates. And now you want to select all the pages except the index page. We don't need to recreate that one. So select page 2, which is where the 2023 calendar starts. And then the last page, which is page 72. So now you have all pages selected except the index page. And before you click on the pink button, deselect the tabs. You don't want to mess with the tabs. You want them to still be the same, all the links and all the tabs. So deselect those two and then click Insert at the bottom and let it make you a 2024 version. Okay, so it has finished generating the digital planner for next year. So let's check a few pages. 2024. Okay, this one looks fine too. Before moving on, let's just delete all the old pages. So again, click on Delete Multiple Pages, the red button down here below. And then you want to select all the old pages, which are page 2, down until page 72. Okay, I now have selected page 2 to page 72. And then now click on Delete Selected Pages, confirm delete. Okay, so we now are back to only having 72 pages in our planner. Now let's quickly see here on page 2, here is the calendar. 2024 calendars, all looks fine. Let's go to the January page on page 3. This is the January calendar. And then here is January 1st. 2nd, 3rd is a Wednesday. Okay, let's randomly check this page here. February 8th is a Thursday, which is correct. The calendars are correct as well. Let's check down here. May 16th is a Thursday. Maybe we can check another one in November. Let's check November calendar. Looks fine as well. Maybe, let's see here, November 29th is a Tuesday. Okay, so looks like everything is correct. All that is left to do is change the index page. So this is not clickable. If it's not clickable, go to sticker, and now you can select it, and now you can change it to 2024. Something else you would need to change is the text right here, calendar 2023. This one's not a sticker, so you will go back to planner, and then you can click here within the field and edit this text. Okay, and then let's see here, everything looks fine. However, here in the digital planner tab, this tab right here says calendar 2023, and we will need to correct this one. This tab will redirect to page number 2, and I just saw it has named the page March 2024, which is wrong. So let's rename it to 2024 calendar, because this page is a calendar page with all months. So this is page 2. Now go to Layout, Digital Planner, and to correct this tab right here, you can retype the name here where tab 2 is here, right here. So change it to 2024. The link is correct. And while we are working on the links, we can also check if all the links on the right page are correct as well. And looks like everything is correct. May goes to May, June to June, and so on. So all that is left to do is just correct this tab right here. Okay, now to apply this tab to all the pages, click on Apply Tabs to Other Pages. And then you can select both, that is fine, and you can have everything selected like before. And then click on Apply Tabs to Other Pages and let it run through all pages. The planner is completed. Every single page should now have the same tabs. So let me check if the Calendar 2024 tab has been applied to every page. I'll click randomly through each page. All looks good. Let's randomly check on page 36 if also the tabs are correct. On the right side, here everything looks good, left side looks good as well. Then to export, go to Save Export, then have Digital Planner selected and export it. To save it, go to Save, give it a name, and then click on Duplicate and make a copy, and it will make you a 2024 version. So this was how you can transform your 2023 planner into a 2024 planner without having to manually change the widgets. Of course, you can also create 2025 or 2026 versions with this same technique. If you have any questions, you can always message me on Instagram or Facebook, and I will try to respond to your questions as quickly as I can. Bye!